Through fields and woods across the land, I journey with my prize in hand. A dragon's hoard of gold and jewels bright, I won with my strength and might. The path is long.
Oh no, I hurt his own back!
I swear to keep this meeting on point, on task, in the spirit of frith, in kinship, brother and sisterhood, and forward-moving progress. So help me pray, Nord, and the Almighty ask. So be it.
So be it.
Oh, hi!
Hi! You got this, John.
You're so important, buddy! You're part of the chorus! You're part of the chorus! You're so awesome!
Brother, are you ready to quest?
Yes! I've been ready to quest forever! Like, literally since last year.
365
365 days! Well, a little more, and some change.
This quest is based on Sigurd and his quest to slay the dragon Fafnir. Except we're not going to be Sigurd, we're going to be Sigurd's helpers. Sigurd is our king, so we're going to help him on his quest. Now we're just- Our Nordic tradition of Sigrblot, a victory blow to Odin at this time of the year. We honor Ostara with planting the seeds of fertility for this year. So the Sigrblot would generally be done for victory for the summer raids. We can do that. We ask Mother Earth to provide. whatever that looks like in our worlds.
Group hug!
Two are fallen. Can't forget Gramps hiding out up there.
He goofing.
He goofing.
New boot goofing?
Aha! New tree.
New tree.
Thank you, London. It's been a little while for Andy. Doing a little Andy love.
I'm sure he'd appreciate it.
And to the Norns, who are with us from birth to death. Well, thanks for the luck.
Harry, all Father, Odin. Harry, all Father, all Father, Odin. Harry, all Father, all Father, Odin.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. We got you. Odin, all Father, thou Father, we ask you to join us, just as we did in Blot. We ask you to come hear our words, laugh with us, cry with us, tell jokes, understand our own trials and how they relate to yours. We ask this in kinship as your descendants, as your family, of your line, and of your people. We ask you to join us, to hang with us, and be a kinsman, as we would expect of anyone in the room. Hello.
Now we drink!
We drink! We drink.
Woo!
Get over here!
Whoa!
I've come
I just got in the middle of that one.
You,
my seat.
you almost became a third there, Lee.
I know, right?
Thor, Odinson, friend of man and friend to this kindred, we ask you to bless this food, to infuse it with strength, vitality, and wisdom, with love, respect, and kinship now and into the future, and we ask you to enjoy this good food with us. Hail Thor.
Right now, what we have is mold. This is what we're going to try to work with today. We have two different types, and the two different types are, I've dried out these for about 3 weeks, just by rotating them in the buckets that they're in, just kind of pulling it out, fluffing it up, flipping it, putting it back down, doing that over and over again. Then I got tired of that and I made a drying rack really easy. Pretty dry. I dried it for 3 weeks. You pile next to you of good stuff. Throw away the
To
bad
dry?
crap.
Yeah. Good stuff to dry? Like the
Yes, the
soft-
good stuff. What you actually are going to want to like have as your tea blend or your poultice base. What you're looking for is good leaves, good roots.
Yeah, I mean, you could probably still use that as a poultice.